Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Today, let's do basic tutorial in Godot by adding a button in our scene. So let's start. Double click our engine. Okay, now let's create a new project. Let's call this my button. Create folder, create and edit. Now let's wait to load the engine. Okay, the engine is open and set in 3D. This is the default set. So let's choose the 2D. Okay. Now here we are. Okay, let's add a node by clicking this. Okay, let's type node 2D. Okay, ito siya, node 2D. Double click lang natin. Okay. And then let's rename this by double clicking. Okay. Let's say my first scene. Click the outside. Okay. Then let's add again a node, a sprite. Okay, by clicking again this plus button. Okay, let's type is sprite. Double click the sprite, and then we can see here our texture is empty. So let's drag this icon to here. Okay, drag lang natin. Okay, so drag natin dito sa gitna. Ayan, dito sa gitna. Okay, now let's add a button. Let's first click this my first scene and then click again this add button. Let's type button. Okay, ito siya. Double click lang natin. Okay. Medyo maliit siya. I-stress lang natin para makita. Ayan. Okay. Tapos here in the inspector dock, ito sa text, let's set it text click me. Okay. Ayan. So, drag lang natin ito sa tapat ng natin, icon. Okay. So natin gawin is lalagyan na natin ng script. Bago yan, save muna natin to. Control S, my first scene.tscn, save. Okay. So, na-save na natin yung scene natin. So, let's run to test our scene by clicking this play button or by pressing F5 in our keyboard. No main scene has ever been defined. Okay, no main scene daw. I-click lang natin to, then open, and the game window will automatically appear. Okay. So, ito na siya. Ang goal natin is, pag i-click natin to, mawala yung icon, and then pag i-click natin ulit, babalik na naman siya. So, okay. Para mangyari yun, mag-add tayo ng script sa ating root node. Kasi yung script, yan yung kumbaga mag-dictate kung anong gagawin. Okay. By clicking this icon, attach a new or existing script for the selected node. So, click lang natin to. So, ayan. Then, create. Okay. So, bago natin lagyan ng code yung script natin, i-click muna natin tong button, and then punta tayo dito sa node, and then click natin tong press. Yan. Pag na-click na natin yung press, click connect. Okay. And then, select natin yung root node natin, and then connect. Okay. Naka-connect na siya. Makikita natin to, parang Wi-Fi icon. Na-connected na siya. Okay, so pwede na tayo mag-code. Okay, punta tayo dito sa script editor natin. Okay. So medyo maliit lang siya, no? Drag natin yan. Yan. So, click natin to guys para medyo lumaki naman. Yan. Ito yung function ng button natin. Ito, di natin to kailangan. Delete na natin to. Kasi comment line lang to eh. Ito. Tapos itong ready function, okay lang din na i-delete natin to. Kasi kumbaga, initialization lang to na ang node na to is ready for coding na. Okay. Delete lang natin. Okay. So ito naman, okay lang din na delete natin to. And then, ang gagawin natin is i-access natin yung sprite natin. $sprite that visible equals space not $sprite that visible. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Kinol natin yung function ng onButtonPress and then in-access natin yung sprite na if we press the button, mo-display ang sprite and then if we press again, the sprite will disappear. So, let's save. Control S. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's run by clicking this button. Okay. Okay, let's see what's happened. If we click this, oh yes, it's working and it's good. So that's all guys. Salamat sa panonood. And sana po i-subscribe niyo yung YouTube channel ko para updated kayo pag may bago akong ipopost na video. So, thank you.